Assalamualaikum. How are you friends? Fine, perfect. How are you all? Uh, Last time we have discussed about the property of matrices, I think so, and I have given you some type of question, A, B, and C, and then A, B, how to calculate the property of matrices. What is the property of matrices? You have seen on your screen. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. I think so. It is enough with the topic of addition or subtraction. I have given you more assignments, and then you will be practicing on that. Okay. Now we are going to the new topic. What is the new topic in here after addition and subtraction? So you must be here, and you see that uh, what is the next topic is how to find the value of variable in matrices. How to find the values of variable in matrices. Uh, Sometimes the question say solve the matrices. Solve the matrices. What is the meaning of the term solve? Do you know about something? Yes. Hmm. Okay, fine. And how many students knows that uh, what is the meaning of solve? The Sometimes the question said simplify the following matrices, and sometimes the question is solve the matrices. So, what is the difference between simplification of the matrices and solve the matrices? Uh, I think that you know very well. Mm, can you share your uh, knowledge on your text box? Text box. Great. Mm. Some students know who shows that their knowledge, and yes, shabash, great, excellent, good job. I think so. This is the what is the difference between the term of solve, and what is the meaning of the term simplification? Simplification is just to have to simplify the following by the use of board mass tool. Simplification is just uh, to how to calculate the something, and something by using the board mass. Uh, Board mass said like it open multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is the property of the board mass. In the case of simplification, we can use the term board mass. But in the case of solve the following matrices. So in that case, the some variable is in the matrices. Some variable is in the matrices. So what is the how to try to calculate? What is the term of meaning of how to find the value of variable in matrices? And these things are both same thing. These terms are both the same term. If the question is said to be solve the following matrices, and you can see on that question the some of the variables include in their matrices. Okay, so this is the way on your screen how to find the value of variable. Solve meaning. What is the meaning of solve? The term solve. The term solve said that sum of the variable, how to calculate the sum of the to find the value of variable. कि आप वेरिएबल की वैल्यू तुमसे किस तरह से निकालेंगे, ठीक है ना? तो simplification is that the mean you just be mean by using the board mass tool, and then you will be apply on plus minus addition subtraction. These are the some brackets, curly brackets, common brackets, and you can solve by the matrices. But in the case of solve, the topic is in the case of solve, when the topic is this, that on your screen, how to find the value of variable in matrices. Is this clear, all of you? Great. बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपका रिप्लाई आता है तो and I would like to very appreciate to all of you all of you people. And now move to the question. What is the question is said? Define variable. Define variable. Just the question. Find x and y. Find x and y if requirement number one is you see this on the slide. You can see this. The variable is in this matrix. In this matrix, the variable x is the position in A, and the variable y in the position in D. There is no variable. There is no variable. Okay. So how to calculate the simplest question is this: how to find the variable of x and how to find the variable of y. In this condition, there is no simplification. No simplification in here. यहाँ पे किसी भी तरह की कोई भी सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं हो रही, कोई एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा। ऐसी वो कंडीशन, तमाम कंडीशन जहाँ पे आ जाएं कि जिसके अंदर जहाँ पर भी कोई भी वेरिएबल आपस में ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट ना हो रहा हो, ना मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा हो, कोई भी टर्म सिंप्लीफाइड नहीं हो रही है, एट दैट कंडीशन you must be said that by using the definition of equality of two matrices we have. I always been the term used in that condition. Compare the matrices. Compare the matrices. What is the comparison on in this matrix or in this matrix? What is the difference? What is the comparison? Comparison means this, that this is A of in this matrix and this is A on this matrix. So A equal to A. So A equal to A. And where is the variable? The other variable. Here is the other variable. The variable Y is here. So this is the term of D in this matrix. This is the position of D in this matrix. Where is the D in this matrix? Where is the D in this matrix? What is the value of D in this matrix? Great. Nice. Okay, great. Shabash. This is the 2 in this matrix. So A compared to A and D compares to D. By the definition of equality of two matrices, we said that A को कंपेयर करेंगे A से, जिसमें वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व होगा उसमें कंपेयर करेंगे. Okay. By definition, now we compare the things. A compared to A and then D compared to D. Is there any variable here? Is there any variable here? B and C? No. Is the variable in here B and C? No. So it means we just compare x plus 3 is equal to 2 and 3y minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay? Clear? Is this clear? All the things? Great, Shabash. Now move to the next line. What is the next line? We compare x plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 2. Equal to 2. Now we find the value of x. How to calculate the value of x? The 3 is in here is positive and move to the on right hand side, it will be negative. So 3 in plus in here and move on the right hand side, it will be negative. So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. I think so there is the value of x is minus 1. Is the value of x is minus 1. Is this clear? Any problem? Any question in here? No? Okay, perfect. Great. Now move to the next variable. What is the next variable in this matrix? What is the next variable in this matrix? 3y minus 4 equal to 2. So it means we compare 3y minus 4 equal to 2. So what is the next step after this? After this step, we find the value of y. So minus 4 goes to right hand side, it will be plus. So the next thing is this. So I think so this, you can see this, okay, minus 4 is here, and but move to on right hand side, so it will be plus 4. Plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, and here is 3y. 3y is here. Is this clear in here? Is any confusion in this topic? Now 3 is the multiplication of in y. 3 is multiplied to y. Move on right hand side, it will become division position. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. You can also be calculated by this. And then 3 is multiplied in here. Move on the right hand side, it will become with denominator. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. The answer is equal to 2. Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Okay, good. I think so. Perfect. The value of x is minus 1 and the value of y is 2. Hence, in the solution set is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 2. Is there clear? Clear any topic in here? Okay. I think so. This is the most simplified of in this question. This question is very easiest question, and now move to the next topic, and then it will be cover your most difficult areas. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now I'm moving to the next slide. Next question. Requirement number 2. Can you try this? I think so. You can be try this. Uh, First, you try this. How to calculate? First, you think how to calculate. This is the very difficult. It's difficult from part number 1. It is difficult from part number 1. So my wish is this, that you can calculate. I think so. You can calculate. You are able to calculate. But I will be here. I'm here, and I will be solve this question. But before, my wish is this, that आप इसको करके दिखाएं. ट्राई करें कहाँ तक कर सकते हैं इसको. वेट करते हैं इसको. कोई भी मसला है चैट बॉक्स में आप ज़रूर उसको लिखें. कोई भी मसला है आप चैट बॉक्स में उसको ज़रूर लिखें और बताएं मुझे. It is difficult, na? I already said that this question is different type of previous question. Okay. Is there any query? You can feel freely to set in chat box by using chat box. I'm waiting because most of the students maybe try this. I think so. You are very perfect students. You are very, very, very. क्या बोलना चाहिए उसको? You are very marvelous students. I think so. कभी आपने मुझे जो है वो डिसअपॉइंट नहीं किया और आपने कोशिश जरूर की है. भले चाहे आपको आए ना आए, कोशिश करनी चाहिए. क्या कहते हैं? I'm watching my watch and because of that कि आप कितने टाइम में इसको कंज्यूम करते हैं. देखते हैं आंसर कोई लेके आता है या यहाँ पे कोई आंसर इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, नहीं सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते, चेक करते हैं अभी इसको. ना अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं. अब इसको मैं समझाता हूँ मैं आपको किस तरह से करना है. आपने काफ़ी कोशिश की. यू आर परफेक्टली, the answer is perfect. Some students said to me, yes, okay. Okay, now I'm solving it. Okay. First thing is this: is there any simplification in this matrices? Something is possible to add it, something is possible to subtract, something is possible to multiply. Is there anything who can is there anything which will simplify? कुछ चीज ऐसी है यहाँ पे जो सिंप्लीफाई हो रही हो, वो चीज सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो रही. So it's mean कि we have to compare in this matrix. Why? By using the definition of equality of matrices. This is the comparison of the matrices. So x plus y compared to y, because this is the position of A in this matrix and this is the position of A in this matrices. So x plus y is equal to x plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to y. And then 3y minus 4 is equal to 2x. 3y minus 4 is equal to 2x. So I think so it will be compared to 2x. Now move on this next line. So is here compare x plus 3 is equals to y. Now you can arrange in this matrix is this, that y is here is positive and will come to the left hand side, it will be negative. 3 is here in positive and after that it will be negative on the right hand side. ठीक है ना. y यहाँ पॉजिटिव था, वहां जाके क्या हो गया, नेगेटिव हो गया. यहाँ 3 पॉजिटिव था, वहां जाके क्या हो गया, नेगेटिव हो गया. इट विल बी इक्वेशन नंबर 1. हमने इसको नाम दे दिया इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का. दिस इज द पोजिशन फ्रॉम ए टू ए. ए टू ए को कंपेयर करने पे आंसर ये आया. नाउ कंपेयर डी. 3y minus 4 is equal to 2x. We can also arrange the data. We can also arrange the data. The data is said that 3y is here in positive. 3y is here in positive. So it goes to right hand side. It goes to right hand side. After this, you can set that the value of positive will become to negative. So you can see this 2x is here already. 3y goes on right hand side, so it will be negative. Minus 4 is minus 4 in here. This is the equation number 2. There are two equation number 1 and equation number 2. I think so it is very difficult to find the value of the matrices. Here we apply the method of simultaneous equation. Here we apply the method of simultaneous equation by using the substitution method or by using the elimination method. You can, I think so. You will, you were be calculated on your previous classes. You can already learn to how to calculate the both equation by using the method of simplification, by the method of simultaneous equation. So यहाँ पे अब इसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए? साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बन गई है, अब इसके बाद क्या होना चाहिए? सो अब क्या करें यहाँ पे, किस तरह से सॉल्व करें? साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के दो मेथड है, टू मेथड है. एक वन इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट मेथड इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड and the second method is elimination method, simultaneous equation. So here is simultaneous equation. We have two equations here. There is simultaneous equation because there is two equations in here. That's why we can apply simultaneous equation in the position. Okay. Now I copied here the previous slide. How to calculate? You must, what's your thinking के आपको क्या करना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Exactly. Yes, obviously you can be. Great, shabash. Good, very nice. The student said very positive. In the case of by using the elimination method, we can find the value of कोई भी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लें आप, x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लें, y की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लें. यू कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड एट दैट फ्रॉम कि आपको यहाँ पे किसको एलिमिनेट करना है, तो उसको एलिमिनेट करने के लिए उसके कोफिशिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो क्या हो जाए, सेम हो जाए. व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द वेरिएबल? Here is the coefficient of is 1 because there is no number, so the coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of y is 1. Minus shows the process of addition or subtraction, but I think we are talking about the what is coefficient. So there is the coefficient of y is 1. And now you can see this in equation number 2. You can see here the coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 3. So जिस वेरिएबल को आपको एलिमिनेट करना है, आपने क्या करना है, उस नंबर से इस इक्वेशन को क्या कर दें, मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. तो आपके वेरिएबल्स क्या हो जाएंगे, सेम हो जाएंगे. जब वेरिएबल्स सेम होंगे तो फिर एलिमिनेशन करने में क्या होगी, आसानी होगी. ठीक है ना? सो नाउ वी कैलकुलेट, ऑब्जर्व दैट simultaneous equation. I already said that this is the simultaneous equation. It's a simultaneous equation where we are using the method of elimination. Now multiply equation number 1 by 3. Multiply equation number 1 by 3. Why? Because of 3. 3 से क्यों कर रहे हैं? ठीक है. I want that कि मुझे y को एलिमिनेट करना है. आप किसी को भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. आप x को एलिमिनेट कर दें. अगर x को एलिमिनेट करना चाह रहे हैं तो आप इसका x कितना है, 2 है, तो इसको भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. ठीक है ना? और अगर यहाँ पे 3 है तो यहाँ पे आप इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. So it is depend on you, what you want. Okay, I want to eliminate the value of y. So here this I am multiplied equation number 1 by 3. We can say this the equation number 1 will becomes 3x, 3y, and 3 3s are 9. Equation number 1 is multiplied by 3, so it will be 3x minus 3y and equal to minus 3 3s are 9. I think so it is clear to all of you. Is there any difficulty? No? Sure? Perfect? की बात है. You are very nice students. You are very nice students. Equation number 2 is already is here. Equation number 2 already is here. Because इसमें कोई हमें सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं करनी, जिसमें हमें कुछ भी एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं करनी, जिसमें हमें कोई किसी से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना. तो here to this that we can multiply, we have multiplied by 3 in question number 1 and the answer will become is 2. You think that how to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 3. Subtract equation number 2 from equation number 3. In the case of subtraction, you will find that this value is will cancel out, and then this answer will become minus 5. Here is some problem that student might be think that how to calculate the matrices, how to calculate these matrices, these equations, and how to we have the answer x is equal to minus 5. How to calculate the equation, and we will become the equation is the answer is x equal to minus 5. Wow. Many students very difficult. Some of the students very confused about this. How to calculate about this answer. Trick. You must watch in this. I think so. It will be very beneficial for you. This is the thing. Is this equation number 3? I copied equation number 3. Equation number 2, I copied equation number 2. In the case of subtraction, you will be change the sign of lower equation. You can change the sign of lower equation. It means we can say the sign of 2x is positive. In the case of subtraction, in the case of addition, we will not be change the sign. We will calculate direct all the things. Okay. Here is the equation. The sign of 2x is positive will become to negative, because the rule of the subtraction is you must be change the sign of last equation. Okay, the sign is here is negative, so we can change is positive. Here the sign is negative, we will change in positive. Now अब इनकी ये साइंस नहीं रही, अब इनकी ये साइंस है वो नहीं रही. अब इनकी जो साइंस है वो क्या है, वो ये मौजूद है. The sign of 2x is negative, the sign of 3x is now positive, and the sign of minus 4 is now become to positive. Now simplify the equation. 3x minus 2y, 1x. So 1 को शो करेंगे क्या? No, 1 को शो नहीं करेंगे. Now here is minus and here is plus. So minus plus cancel out. Minus plus cancel is here. So there is no variable in here in this side. Okay. प्लस माइनस माइनस दोनों आपस में माइनस हो गए तो क्या हो गए, खत्म हो गए, इसीलिए हमने इसको यहाँ पे नीचे कॉपी नहीं किया. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, what is the uh, bigger sign? The bigger sign is negative, so answer is negative. 4 minus 9 minus 4 is 5. Plus minus minus, calculator में डायरेक्ट कॉपी कर दें, -9 plus 4 is equal to -5. So clear is this? How to how we get the answer of -5? Good job, good job. I think so. ये आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, इजी लगा थोड़ा पहले के मुकाबले में. यहाँ पे जब हम सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे थे तो यहाँ पे कोई सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं हुई थी, हम जस्ट ओरली बात कर रहे थे. अब यहाँ पे ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड वी कैन डिस्कस और we can discuss in here the two variables, two equations in solved in this in the box. So you will be solve all of this question by using this method. Okay, जब मैं असाइनमेंट आपको दूंगा तो वो असाइनमेंट जो आपको इसी तरह से आप करेंगे, आप क्या करेंगे, उसको इसी तरह से अपने पास सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ x. X's value is -5, so you can put -5 in equation number 1, in equation number 2, whatever you want. Here's the all possibilities on depend on you. Okay, I put the easiest equation, equation number 1. I put in equation number 1. The value of x is -5. So x की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा, -5. So -5 minus y equal to -3. What is the next step? We want value of y. In that condition, in this condition, y is negative. The value of y is negative. So we can move to the positive. How to move? How to convert it in positive? By shift on right hand side, and the value of -3 placed on right hand side. So according to this condition, -y goes to right hand side, it will become y, and -3 is goes to on left hand side, it will be on positive. So -5 plus 3 is equal to y equal to -2. Easy. This box is very important for you. This box is very important for you, and you can be calculate both of them, both in both of the equation. This is very, it is all depend on you to how to calculate the value on this. Okay, so now we can set that x is equal to -5 and y equal to -2. This is the answer of this equation. Okay, guys, I think so. Is there any problem? You can ask me on your chat box. Okay. Is this clear? Okay. This is the end of from my side, and I think so. It is very important for you, और आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है ये. और जो है, we also said that you must be practiced by this equation. I will giving you on many assignments by this topic, by using this topic. So I think so. This is the end now of today's class, and we have to discuss very difficult question. first question is very easy. So first question is very easy. The second part of the question is most difficult for you. Okay, guys. See you, inshallah, on next class. Till now, take care yourself and remember me in your prayers. Okay, fine. Allah Hafiz.